Okay, so to make this fantastic ice cream that is Randall's all-time favorite, super, super easy. Half a gallon of chocolate milk, a 16-ounce tub of Cool Whip or any brand whip topping, thawed, and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. This is 14 ounces. And you just mix this up, put it in your ice cream maker, and let it freeze. Never ever gonna leave. It's our favorite ice cream maker just because it's a 6-quart capacity, and this recipe is exactly enough to fill this. We just pour it in. Add the paddle. And then Randall gets to start watching the ice. This is where I want